This video explains how to install the AIM on the active part on the UBT-T. In the UBT-T, we have the active part, the AIM, and 4 screws. The 4 screws will be used later to install the UBT-T on the antenna or on the coupler. Now, begin to install the AIM on the active part. Take the AIM and reverse it. Take into consideration the TX writing on the active part. These 2 flanges are the TX output flanges. Consider now the writing low and high on the AIM. If we take the AIM and directly install on the active part, in this case, the UBT-T will transmit in the high sub-band. Now, remove the AIM and reverse it to show how to transmit in the low sub-band. Take into consideration now the low writing on the AIM. If we now install the AIM in this way on the active part, the UBT-T will transmit in the low sub-band. Now, reverse the UBT-T and fasten it by using the Allen wrench for the 4 screws. The UBT-T is ready to be installed on the antenna or on the coupler. As an example, a UBT-T with an AIM-TD already installed with 2 flexible waveguides connected is shown. To install the AIM-TD on the active part, follow the same procedure viewed earlier. In this example, the UBT-T is ready to transmit in the high sub-band.